What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Python Season 2, Episode 1, and today I'm going to be going over expectation handling and how you can just knock out errors if they're there. So let's dive right into the video. Alright guys, so we're going to dive right into this, just a simple code. So all this really does is just take a number using input and just taking that in and then taking a second number, then dividing that. But there are some major flaws with this. So first up, we're just going to test this out really quick and fast. So the first number, I'm just going to insert 10, second number 2, 5, easy, done, let's go. But what if I run it again and do something that's not exactly possible? So let's do 10 again and then divide it by 0, because we all know you can't really divide by 0, and we get an error, and we don't really want the user getting to get an error. So we are going to instead actually try this code. So to do this, to fix these problems, we're just gonna indent this code, and then above it put a try. So first up, it's gonna try this out, and if it doesn't work, it's going to accept, and then let's type in an error. So in this case, it'd be a 0 division error, and then just add a comma. And then what do we want it to do whenever it runs into this error? So we're just gonna print you can't divide by 0. And now whenever we run, let's do 5 divided by 0. You can't divide by 0. So let's take a look at another let's take a look at another possibility or error that could show up. So let's say instead of entering a number, we entered letters. So let's enter 2. Error, there was a trace back and it was a value error. So let's accept a value error. And we're just going to type let's say please enter a whole number, because maybe you did like 1.0 and we're just not going to accept that. So please enter a whole number. Now there's a lot you could do here. You could add codes to where it might do something else, like actually if it was like a decimal with a point and stuff, you could make it actually add those or divide those or something, but we're not going to do that right now. We're just going to print something. So now if we run our code and let's say we wanted to type in 1, please enter a whole number. So what you get a basic understanding of how this works. Basically, you just try a code and then you expect a 0 division error. Now this can get a little annoying because you have to put your entire code into a try block, but I mean, certain parts of codes might be in a try block, and then other ones could be outside. There's just so many different possibilities that could happen. But if you ever run into an error and you just don't know how to solve it, using try and accept is just, accept is just
Thank you guys so much for
absolutely
watching
perfect.
this one, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.